Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to search any name, any number or formula or any command. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So here firstly select the home options. So after that you can see find and select option. So just click on it and then click on find options. So after that write the name which you want to search. So for example I want to search John. So after writing the name, here you can see find all option. So just click on it. So when you will click on find all, your name will search. So here you can see more options. So just click on it. So you can find more option from here. So if you want to search by row, so you can select by row. So here you can see looking, you can search here formula, values, comment. So you can search anywhere. So here you can select also sheet or workbook, and here you can select match case or match entire cell contact. So after that, after selecting the all, so just click on find all options. So you can see the name is selected. So guys, in this way you can search any name, any number, any formula, any command in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.